What's up? What's up? It's Jordan of Martin Investment Group, Martin Stock Club. About to look at three stocks, just three, not 10. If you want 10, you gotta hit the description and go ahead and hop in the Discord. But then look at three stocks I'm watching today. So let's get right to it. First up, we got Take Two Interactive, and these are all similar setups. I'm looking for pullbacks here. I'm in some bullish trades. I put some bullish trades out on the watch list that we're letting play out. We took 60% on Boeing yesterday, 30% on the NEO. Now I'm looking at some possible pullbacks. First being Take Two, hitting this previous support here. We see the support bounce, that double bottom there that failed through, and now we're testing as resistance. So I'm looking for a flip on this, break below 106.30. We're going to close below that, and we can start pulling back to this support level around 100. Let's go ahead and slide to Activision. Same sort of deal here, right? Big move up, came back, tested here at support. Now we shot up again, looking for another pullback here. We have a gap as well on the daily. You can look at it on the 1 hour, see it pretty clearly, right? We see the intraday support that formed here. So we can break below that. We can go ahead and move towards the gap. And then once we take out the gap, we can go ahead and look at starting to head back towards 74 and then ultimately 73 if we continue with some bearish momentum. So I'm setting my alert below the low of day for Activision, which was 76.04. I'm going to go 75, 90. Let's go 75, 95 just to be clear on the breakout. And that is moving. That'll probably give me an immediate entry versus me just setting the break of the low. So once I see that, I'll probably go ahead and grab my puts for this week at the money, this week expiration. And then lastly, going over to China. All right. So with BIDU, Baidu, I don't know how to say it. We got a couple gaps on the daily. All right. So we got a gap here, got a gap here, got a gap here, got a gap here. Now we know gaps. I'm gonna tell y'all this. People probably tell you this all the time. Gaps always fill. That's not the case, but they generally do fill. Most of the time they fill. And right now we have a bunch of gaps to the downside that are left open in the recent days by Baidu. And we had this bearish day yesterday after a strong bull move up. All right, so this is our biggest bearish candle we've seen in a while. Pretty much since November 16th was before their earnings. So now I'm looking at a potential earnings pullback. Some stocks will pull back to the 20-day moving average after a big earnings run up. So I'm gonna actually throw the 20-day EMA or 20-day SMA rather on here. We got a long way down. I don't throw indicators up all the time, but I'm gonna look at this RSI and see how overbought it is. All right, so we're at 70 on the RSI. So we got overbought. We got gaps below, and we're far away from our 20 moving average. We break below the low. If yesterday was 116.43, I'm gonna go 116.30. Give me a break and close below that on the 5-minute, and I'm pretty comfortable swinging puts, possibly a 2-week expiration. Looking for the gap fill here first, and then just seeing how far we go, especially if we get more China news, because we know Chinese stocks can be very volatile when they're moving off news. So that being said, y'all gonna make some money today. And before y'all make some money, go ahead and like, go ahead and comment, go ahead and subscribe. Tell me what's up. Let me know that you rocking with your boy on the watch list so I can keep on putting these out for y'all. Have a great day, everybody.